First, download the assets through the link in the caption. Start new project, add the photos of the sky, look for aspect ratio and set it to 9:16. Scale up the photos to fill the frame, then trim all of them down to 0.1 second. Hit export. Create new project again with your video where you jump, cut the excess at the start and end. Find the part where your feet is already above the ground and hit split. Then look for the part where you're about to land and hit split. Select that clip of you jumping, hit speed, select normal, slow it down to 0.3x. Tap on the empty space, add overlay, and select the sky clip that we edited earlier. Make sure that it covers the same duration as the clip where you jump. If it's too short, you can just duplicate your sky clip and trim it down to match the length of your jump clip. After that, select your jump clip and hit duplicate, overlay, then drag it down to the bottom layer. Now remove background and select auto removal. Then we need to adjust the layer of the duplicate of our sky clip. Select that clip, look for layer, then select send to back. After that, adjust the size of your sky clips to fill the frame. Select your jump clip again, duplicate, overlay, then drag to the bottom. Remove background, custom removal, quick brush, then cover the ground. Hit audio, sounds, then search for flesh coquillage. Look for the part you like, trim it down, match it to your jump clip. And here's the result.